Hello, welcome back. Part 2, study guide, workbook page 53. You should also have your textbook pages so we can go back and forth here to find the answers. And I would like to encourage you to do this on your own first and then watch the video and go over the answers together. Also, I did not mention this in the email because I realized this too late, but this worksheet, this workbook page actually requires you to read pages 72 until 79, but we only read until page 77. So I will let you skip some of these questions because we did not read everything yet. We're going to finish reading tomorrow. So to just give you a heads up, we're going to be skipping numbers 6, 7, and 9. That's it. Otherwise, we can go right into it. So fill in the blanks. Number 1, 2 or more substances that are physically combined form a... This is all the way from earlier this week. Mixture! That's correct. Right? So for example, we have the snack mixes, we have the peanut mixes, the beef stew, the tteokbokki, all that good stuff. Okay, next we got number 2, a mixture in which all the substances are spread evenly throughout is called. So this is from our lesson today, right? If you put solution, you are correct. It's right here. A solution is a mixture in which all the substances are spread evenly throughout. Okay, number 3. The process in which the particles of one substance separate and spread evenly throughout the mixture is called dissolving. So it says right here, from today's lesson, it says dissolving is the process in which the particles in one substance separate and spread evenly throughout another substance. Just like the sugar water we talked about, the salt water, when you put a solute inside a solvent, it creates a solution in that process. Where it seems like the salt and sugars are disappearing, it's called dissolving. It's not actually disappearing. It's just spreading evenly throughout the water. All right, number 4. A substance that is dissolved is called a... So again, it's back on the same page. So the substance that is dissolved is the solute, like the sugars and the salts. On the other hand, number 5, a substance that dissolves another substance is called a... So like the water right over here. If you put solvent, you are correct. Okay, so since we're skipping 6, 7, and 9 for now, we just got number 8. So this one is a fun one. I like this one. Water is called the blank because so many things dissolve in it. We can put sugar in it, we can put salt in it, we can put so many things. So what is water's nickname? So we got it right here. I'm going to read the paragraph. Water is the most common solvent on the earth. It is often called the universal solvent because so many things dissolve in it. So our answer is universal solvent. Water's ability to dissolve many substances is obviously very important to life on the earth. Okay. So we're going to go straight into the last part of the workbook page, complete the organizer. So this is a good review of basically the main points, the main ideas of everything that we read about mixtures this week. So let's go through these together. Number 10, mixtures involve blank changes, not chemical changes. So I'm going to write back to page 72. To see what kind of changes mixtures consist of. So it says over here, sometimes different substances combine without going through chemical changes. A mixture consists of 2 or more substances that are physically combined. So these guys go through the physical changes, right? Okay. 11. Particles of each substance in a mixture. So think about the snack mix. Visualize it in your head. So each particle, each ingredient in that snack mix, they keep their own blank and blank. So I went straight back to the same page. Let's see here. Perfect. My favorite example. Think of a snack mix. A snack mix is a mixture that could include pretzels, peanuts, and raisins. And the pretzels, peanuts, and raisins did not change to other substances when they were added to the mixture. The pretzel still tastes like a pretzel, the candy still tastes like a candy, and the raisins still taste like a delicious raisin. They each kept their own identities and properties. So that is our answer for number 11. Okay, number 12. We're ready for you. Each substance can be blanked from the rest of the mixture. So there's a verb that we need to put in here. So a mixture, every single ingredient in a snack mix can be separated, right? You can take them away from each other. I'm going to use past tense. Number 13. The substances in some mixtures are blank throughout. But in other mixtures, they are not evenly mixed. So this question kind of gives us a hint. The substances in some mixtures are blank throughout, but in other mixtures, they're not evenly mixed. So if you think about the sand example in the beach, if you take a handful of sand and another handful of sand and you compare it, it's not the same, right? They're not evenly mixed. So the opposite of that, we got, well, it says in some mixtures, the individual substances are not spread evenly, and some are. Therefore, we can say that in some mixtures, they are mixed evenly. Okay, so we have some mixtures that are mixed evenly throughout, kind of like a strawberry milkshake. And we also have some mixtures where it's not evenly mixed throughout. Okay, so all right, believe it or not, we finished page 53. We are all geniuses. Great job in science class today, and I will see you in reading class. We're going to be learning about the history of Alice in Wonderland. See ya!